Have you ever wondered why you still feel tired when you wake up, even after a full night's sleep? Why your body feels sluggish, your desire fades, and your enthusiasm just isn't what it used to be? If you're a man over 40 or even 60, this isn't just random. It's your body trying to tell you something, quietly but urgently. It's a sign that it's time to start paying closer attention to your health, especially your energy, vitality, and sexual wellness. The good news is, you don't need expensive treatments or medications to turn things around. There are natural, simple, and powerful ways to regain your drive, confidence, and the spark you once had. And it all begins with giving your body the nutrients it's quietly begging for. As men enter middle age, testosterone levels, a key hormone in male vitality, begin to drop steadily. That's the silent force behind your fatigue, decreased libido, reduced endurance, mood swings, and even muscle loss. Add to that the stress of work, family responsibilities, poor diet, and lack of physical activity, and it's no wonder your body feels like it's running on empty. What most men don't realize, though, is that many of these symptoms are rooted in deficiencies of key vitamins and minerals, and that can be fixed naturally. Vitamin D is one of the most crucial. It's more than just a vitamin, it acts like a hormone in the body and plays a central role in regulating testosterone. When you're low on vitamin D, you're more likely to feel constantly drained, mentally foggy, even mildly depressed. And as you get older, especially if you spend most of your time indoors, the risk of deficiency only increases. But the solution is simple. Just 15 to 20 minutes of early morning sunlight each day can make a big difference. Include foods rich in vitamin D, like salmon, eggs, cod liver, and fortified dairy. And if needed, consider supplements. 1,000 to 2,000 IU per day is generally safe and effective. Next is magnesium, one of the most underappreciated minerals that most middle-aged men are lacking. Magnesium helps your body relax, supports deep sleep, regulates mood, and enhances sexual function. If you're low on magnesium, you may find yourself irritable, restless, anxious, or just disconnected from your body. You can boost magnesium naturally through leafy greens, seeds like pumpkin or chia, avocados, and dark chocolate. A magnesium glycinate supplement taken before bed can help you fall asleep faster and wake up more refreshed. And then there's zinc, the ultimate male mineral. Zinc plays a direct role in testosterone production, improves sperm quality, supports immunity, and reduces inflammation. When you're low on zinc, you might notice hair loss, fatigue, lowered sex drive, and overall performance decline. Oysters are the richest natural source of zinc, but you can also find it in red meats, lentils, nuts, and whole grains. If you go the supplement route, keep your daily dose under 30 milligrams unless otherwise directed by a doctor. But here's the truth. Supplements alone won't save you. Your body's performance is shaped by how you live every single day. Real energy and vitality don't come from a bottle. They come from building consistent, healthy habits. Start with light exercise. You don't need a gym membership. Just 15 minutes of brisk walking, lightweight lifting, or bodyweight exercises each day can change everything. Prioritize deep, quality sleep. It's during rest that your body repairs itself, restores hormone balance, and regenerates energy. Find ways to manage stress. Meditate, listen to music, connect with your loved ones, or simply carve out quiet time for yourself. When you reduce stress, you lower cortisol, the hormone that suppresses testosterone. And when cortisol drops, your body can naturally rebuild its strength. Most importantly, cut back on the things quietly destroying your male hormones: sugar, alcohol, processed food, and fast food. These aren't just empty calories, they're poison to your metabolism, testosterone levels, and long-term health. If you've listened this far, you probably already feel that something inside you is shifting. Maybe you've noticed the changes in your body, and maybe you've accepted them. But you don't have to. You're not alone, and more importantly, you're not stuck. This moment right now is your opportunity to take control, to rewrite the story, to reclaim your fire. You don't need miracles, just knowledge, commitment, and a few smart steps every day. And once you start, even small changes, you'll begin to feel it. More energy in the morning, a stronger body, a clearer mind, and yes, a renewed sense of purpose and passion in every part of life. And the best part? You'll do it naturally. No chemicals, no shortcuts, just real lasting transformation from the inside out. If you found this video helpful, please share it with another man who needs to hear this. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more science-backed, honest health advice for men. Because your best years aren't behind you, they're just getting started.